are going camping today. It's been a while since we last did this. That's our stuff. Hey, are you excited? Where are we going now?
Camping.
How do you feel about it?
Happy.
Happy. Yeah. Because when was the last time you went camping, Luna?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Yeah, you don't remember. Kasi guys, yung last time namin mag-camping, sobrang tagal na. Pa 1-year-old pa lang yata si Luna. So, ayun na, magpa-5 na siya. So, a few years ago. First stop namin, ayan, bili muna kami ng yelo para sa cooler namin. Sa mga bit-bit namin pagkain. Ready ka na ba mag-drive? Ang lapit-lapit lang kasi. 1 hour away lang naman yung campground. Okay, so coming from Windsor, an hour drive going to Wheatley.
It's close to Point Pili.
Ah, close to Point Pili
Maybe
pala. Okay.
half an hour, 40 minutes away na lang.
I see, I see. So, ang pupuntahan namin is Wheatley Provincial Park. Kasama namin ng mga kapitbahay namin. Tito Jed and Tita El.
Pero next time,
oh,
iyayin natin sila mga 4 hours, 5 hours away.
bitin sa long drive.
Gagayahin ko si Tito Rice, drive lang ng drive.
Ano tawag dito? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, yung last camping namin was when Luna was about 1 year old. Because I remember, hindi ko siya makakalimutan, doon nag-unang steps si Luna, naalala ko pa. So, sobrang tagal na. And yung camping na yun, may cabin pa kami.
Papa.
Alam niyo yung talagang structure lang, wala namang aircon, nothing, just the cabin. So, that's where we stayed. Oo, nakahoy na bed. Tapos, ngayon, will be the first time na talagang sa tent na kami. Kahit ako, first time ko, babe.
Magti-tent?
Sa tent. Oo. So, I'm a little excited. And kasi nung last time, hindi kami nag-tent kasi nga baby pa si Luna, no? Ayoko naman siyang ma-stress doon. Hindi ko alam paano siya mag-react kung sa tent lang talaga kami. But now, Luna, are you ready to sleep inside a tent?
Did we, we brought the no? Inflatable?
Yes, we did.
Doon ako matutulog sa side kayo sa damuhan ni Luna. Basta
Kung
ako sa
ano-ano.
airbed ako.
Kung ano-ano ba mga binili namin sa marketplace, sa mga second hand muna.
Hintayin nilang mag-umpisa tayo mag-build ng tent hanggat mag-away. Ganun daw lagi, nag-aaway daw lang.
Walang away kasi ikaw lang magbubuo ng tent.
Mahirap dapat dalawang tao.
9 minutes away! Lapit na kami! So, it's right beside Leamington. Yung Leamington, guys, alam ko marami din mga kababayan tayo dito sa Leamington. Yung mga nasa malalaking farms, tomato pickers, may strawberry din yata. Strawberry farm din ba dito?
Happy.
Okay, hold on.
Look what happened to my shoe.
I'll fix it, don't worry. Hey!
Nakakita na ako ng signs na parang provincial park. Ganyan.
Now how many minutes?
Ay, still 7 minutes, baby.
Of course, eh?
There's a golf course here.
Where?
I fixed it, right?
Yeah.
Yan, Wheatley. Yeah. Yes.
ma'am. Joseph.
It's my first time going camping in a drone.
Yes. Snakes. We don't kill
Oo
snakes.
nga, please break for snakes raw. Dito na kami. So we paid $28. Ano kaya kasama doon? Just the car, registration maybe, and everything else?
Mom, is there snakes here?
I guess so, because there was a sign there, Luna. It says, don't, to break
Brakes.
when you see snake.
Brake for snakes.
What is break snakes?
We stop the car if we see a snake.
We don't run them over.
Washroom break. What?
I'm scared of snakes.
There's no snakes, not here. The temperature right now is 24 degrees. At ang sarap pag puro puno. Ang presko. Yun. At maganda, may signal naman. So it's good.
Ting.
Oy, ang cute naman ng setup nila.
Ito yung kotse nila ang bago.
Saan? Ayun! Okay, ayan na. There you go!
Where are they? I see them.
Look out! Hi, Tito Jed! Are you happy? Look, oh! Look! Ano?
Are you ready for s'mores?
Luna, are you excited? Buti may naabutan pa tayong araw.
To buy, saan kami bibili ng ano? Ganyan.
Kaya pre.
Ng panggatong natin.
Ay, sa ano? Sa harapan. Meron pa dito.
Meron pa kami. Bumili na kami ng
Buli mo dalawa. Enough for
Look, Luna! Oh, you stay there. Look, Papa's gonna open the tent. Yeah. We are at campsite number 18. Hindi kami mag-aaway kasi siya lang naman ang gagawa eh. I'll help. Hintay ka lang. Sige.
Wow. Tutulong si
Oh, good job, baby.
Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Let's go to their tent, to Tito Jed's tent. Look at this. Oh, diba? Ang ganda naman. See? Oh my gosh, babe. Nakalimutan natin magdala ng bedsheet.
May unan kayo.
May una na ano lang, blanket. Pwede na yun. Pwede na yun. Luna, we forgot our bedsheet. It's okay.
Lagi naman may nakakalimutan eh. Ito.
Look, Luna.
And then just put it in.
Pasok mo na.
Luna.
Tapos may fly sheet
sabi
pa.
mo na kailangan ito sa
Belt sa
loob.
likod para sa
Pagkatapos, mamaya, ilalagay lang natin sa ilalim. Paalam sa kapalitan natin ito ang ginagawa.
Luna.
Hanapin natin yung harapan. Space din yun. Oh, dalawa
Near the bonfire.
na. Wow, you have a...
Kaya bawal. Dala pa naman ako.
Pero baka, ay dito pag ganun tap.
Is it yum? Can I see? It looks perfect.
Eh,
Um,
I think it's already
you should eat corn na nga lang, not too much sweets, ha? Huwag ka nahihiya. Ang galing mo naman kumain ng muscle. Our bed's here. Ayan, no. Since walang outlet dito para bombahan yung ano, lagyan ng hangin, they had to go to the nearest washroom na may outlet.
Tingnan natin.
Yeah, kasha. Jayo. Open.
Sakto naman.
Spaghetti sauce. Para tatambak na lang si Noodles na niluto ni JJ kanina. Hey, Luna.
Apat yung ganito na.
Are you hungry?
Survive naman sa atin.
Marami. Aso ba?
Si Luna, tuwang-tuwa. Luna! Hi! Hi! What? Is it fun there? Are you excited to sleep there tonight? Sige, kahit walang bedsheet. Di bale, now we know.
11:35. May 5 pa. 11:35 to 7:35.
Sa Makati pa pre, sobrang traffic.
Saan ka nakatira nun?
TUC.
Luna, that's your third s'more.
Baby, turn it, okay? Do you turn it?
It's about 9:30
It's burning na.
p.m.
It's burning na.
Is it
Okay,
raining?
you need to blow it.
guys, oh, lagyan ko dun, oh. It's morning. Good morning. Luna, did you sleep well in the tent? Good, good. It was raining nung middle of the night. Akala ko papasukan ng tubig yung tent namin. But no, so okay naman. We just slept through it. Malakas yung hangin. Luna, ngayon lang talaga siya gumising. O, dire-diretso din ang tulog. It was good, right Luna?
Yeah.
Ganda ng weather. See, hindi namin kailangan mag-jacket. Let me show you. We're going to the washroom now. Dahil, syempre, pipi muna, brush our teeth, get ready for the day. And we're gonna walk. Oh my gosh. Sige, magmamadali na nga kami. Papuntang banyo. Ito na. Okay, let's go, Luna. Go, go. Oh, open the door. How was your sleep, babe?
I'd say bad.
Bakit?
Semento.
Ganito nangyari kasi guys, no, yung airbed namin queen size. Eh, naunahan namin ni Luna yung tatay niya, no? So, medyo masikip na. Masikip na kami nung pumasok siya para matulog. So, meron naman kaming sleeping bags. Nilatag na lang namin on top of each other. Doon siya natulog pero matigas pa din eh, no? How do you like the weather, Luna?
Okay.
We're making what? What are we making? Yes, ham sandwich. Huh?
Can I chop some?
Very good. Oh my God, Luna, did you hear that? What did you hear?
I'm making guys to play.
There's a playground. Hi, Luna.
Hi, come inside.
Guys, oh, dyan lang kami natulog. Look at our bed.
Get into.
No, 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 no. Oh, no, it's okay. O, yan. O, dyan na kami natulog. That's it. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kung saan si JJ natulog. Next.
Yeah, bunny. Hey, close. Mama, close the door.
Ay, sorry. Oo nga. You okay, babe?
Ilagay mo nga sa... Yeah.
Ano?
Hindi, baka matabig kasi yung lantern na yun.
Ano?
Magka-camping daw, tatlo kami, Ina, ako, Luna. Nako po.
Can we get an update on your Bell's palsy, babe? Okay na guys, oh. Tignan nyo. Parang wala na. Ang
Konti
galing,
na
oh.
lang.
Ito yung half na nag-droop the last time. See?
Hindi ko na lang maangat yung upper lip ko.
Yeah.
Pero
It's better.
sobrang improvement. Ano nangyayari.
Babe, let's go. We're going hiking. Hiking. Walking lang naman.
Anisan tayo?
Everyone there, parang wala.
Sabi ko, iwan na tayo ni Luna. Hello. Yum. Sarap naman. Look! What's in front of us is... Oh, yun. There's a beach. Pwede bumaba, magtatampisaw ng konti.
Ano, gusto na bang bumaba? Nandun sa dinaanan nila. Kanina. Mataas to eh.
Look, oh.
Mama, can I get my feet in the water?
Let's go down.
What is it?
Can I get my feet in the water?
Yes, you may.
Yeah,
Let's
you
go.
can get feet in the water.
Okay. Ito yung papasok sa beach. Huh? It's okay. We'll shake it off, the sand. Ooh, Luna! Look at this! Oh, may maalon na.
Okay.
Jump it. Oh. Hey, you gotta remove your socks. Wait a minute.
I don't want it.
Oh, mahaba pala yung ano. May mga meron talaga mga nagsiswimming.
Ted said it's cold.
Luna, are you ready? Let me see. Nagtanggal na ng... Go! Sige! Go! 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 It's cold! Look at that! Si Papa, yun lang oh. Grabe yung iba talagang naliligo pero ang lamig ng tubig. Hindi ko kaya to. Oy, ka nagtatago dyan.
Buboso.
Ha, nagisira.
Buboso.
Taking photos. Ito yung nagsiswimming na iba. Oh. The others, ayan, kompletong family sila. Oh. Diba? Enjoy na enjoy si Luna, no? What happened?
I go away.
I know, I'm sure. It's okay. Did you have fun? Oy, fun? Okay, let's go. Off to the playground. Go.
I got something.
Wow! Wildflower.
Sarap ano. Babe, maglakad-lakad, presko, puro puno.
Sanay kasi tayo maglakad sa mall lang eh.
Hey Luna, how are you liking our trip so far?
Good.
Good? Ang ganda. O, tignan nyo naman itong next na aming tatawirin. There's a bridge. Parang paikot lang daw to eh. Ang ending namin, una, pupunta kami ng isang playground and then,
Ngayon okay na.
doon na sa aming campsite. Ganda naman. May nagkakaya. Kita niyo yung nag-canoe. Ano ba? Ganda? Oo nga. Across the bridge is a different campsite kung saan pwede naman yung mga merong RV. Ayan o. Dito sila. Yung campsite namin talagang medyo ano lang, no, only tents. Tapos talagang strictly no noise at night. Dito raw they're a little bit more lenient, no, kahit pa paano sa noise. But syempre, not too much noise. Luna! Okay, Luna, we're just gonna look. No playing, okay? Hoy! What, did you hear me? Oh, wow. Ang galing mo. Luna! You're amazing!
Nervous ko na yung lakad. Pagbalik pa rin, tulog ka.
See guys, it says radio free. Talagang noise free yung aming campsite. Okay, malapit na kami. Right, Luna? We're near?
Yeah.
After walking maybe 20 minutes from the playground. Or dito na kami sa campgrounds namin. We're back in our site. Spaghetti, chicken barbecue, rice. Oh guys, timpla ko yan ha. Luto ko din yan. Ito na siya. Ito yung spaghetti. Niluto lang yung sauce and the noodles. Dito na lang ininit sa foil. Another s'more.
Bakit eh?
Tito Patrick, say hi! Oh, may dumagdag, oh.
Ano yung nasa ilong mo, Luna?
Oh my God, chocolate. Mm.
Akala ko may
Or bagoong.
Say hi!
How's the mangoes? Can I try?
insekto yung si Luna eh.
We have more people here.
Tita,
Third
Tita
car.
Pico.
For a day trip.
You played Pico there, remember?
It's like hopscotch, right?
Lagi kayong magkayakap. Ha? 1-2 per day.
Ang baba yata nun.
Alaman.
Tignan niyo yung sand, no? Siyempre, hindi natin ma-expect na powdery sand naman. Pero, malalaki yung bato. But they're not sharp. Okay naman. But I think it's better to swim in booties para mas komportable. There's a deer!
Oh, yan o, gumalaw.
Good morning! Luna! Oh. Sinusumpong ka pa eh.
Babay lang.
Oh, Luna, good morning. Today we go home. Good morning. Mm.
Mga 100 plus.
Gusto.
Si Luna nanggugulo sa pack up ng kasama namin eh. Luna, where are you? Where are you? Hey, let them clean up. Ang ganda naman ng kama ninyo.
Wait, para hindi ka nahirapan. Doon ko sa dulo muna.
Kaya ka tanggalin dyan sa loob.
Luna, let's go! Pwede, hindi siya...
Which one?
There's
The
more.
s'mores talaga. Like this muna, okay? Oh, almost done na kami. Wala na yung tent namin. Tingnan niya yung mga kapitbahay namin. Wala na rin actually. Nauna pa sa amin, no? Do you wanna stay one more night? Hmm? But we already packed our stuff. Next time we can stay longer. Bye, vlog!
I don't want to say bye.
Bye!
See you in the city.
Okay, we're going home now. For real. Kung pwede pa mag-extend sana ng isang day, ano, pero wala, pasok na bukas.